Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add dates calendar in your Google Sheet. So first thing first, you want to open your Google Sheets. Alright, so now we're gonna select a blank spreadsheet for this tutorial. Alright, so now the first thing you want to do, you want to go to data right here, and then you want to go to data validation. So once you click on it, on the right side you're going to see add rule. So you want to click on add rule. Now we have apply range and criteria. So right here you're going to select the criteria drop down. Okay, then you're going to select is valid date. All right, then you click on done. So now you can drop down how long or how far you want your dates to cover. So once you do that, now if you double click on any of these cells, your dates calendar should pop up. Okay, and you can select whatever dates you want, as you can see. Okay, it's pretty easy and straightforward. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.